Now, one of the most recent developments is actually a new universal cement. And this is the PANAVIA SA Cement Universal. And this cement actually includes all the previous steps we talked about. It has MDP in it, which bonds to metal oxides, but also to tooth structure. And it also has a silane. You can use it for all different types of ceramic. In the beginning, I also thought, man, this is too good to be true. But we did our own studies, and I have to say, it is up to par with the conventional protocols, multi-steps, in just a single step. Let's say your laboratory does the air particle abrasion for you, and you don't have maybe chairside unit and you don't have an ultrasonic cleaner nearby. So what do? Well, there's a lot of cleaners available now, as you know, but this one, the KATANA cleaner, is actually quite an interesting product. It has, unlike the other cleaners, a relatively low pH. You can use it not just on the restoration after it's contaminated. You can also use it on a tooth structure. Well, these are the materials and protocols I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Wishing you a great day and happy bonding.